In this video, I'll be showing you how to make General Tso Chicken at home. Okay, we're gonna need 1 pound of chicken breast. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, and now some salt. So now we're gonna mix up the meat and the seasonings. And we're gonna put it off to the side so it can marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Chicken is marinated. We're gonna start our sauce. We're gonna use 3 teaspoons of sugar. Now we're gonna add some chili garlic flakes, 1 teaspoon. Now we're adding some chicken stock, about a cup of it. Now we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, low sodium. About 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Okay, now we're gonna add some cornstarch, a teaspoon. We're gonna whisk it up until the cornstarch has dissolved in the mixture. Okay, about 20 minutes has passed, so now we're gonna add our cornstarch onto the chicken. One egg. We're gonna start mixing this up together until we have a nice little coating of egg all over the cornstarch. And while you're mixing it, you want to try to separate the chicken from each other. You want them to be nice and separate so you can handle it better when it's time to put it into the oil. Right here, I felt like I wanted to add more cornstarch. And also I saw a video where it was a wet batter and one with dry, so I wanted it like right in between. Okay, so I just about got the chicken to where I wanted it to be separate. So now it's time to test our oil to see if it's warm enough to put the chicken in. The oil is hot enough. So we're gonna start putting our chicken in. We're gonna try to separate them again in the oil. Let them cook up for a little while, a couple seconds. And back at it again, separate the chicken. We don't want them to be stuck together. So we're gonna cook this until it's lightly browned. You only want to cook it for a short time because we're going to do a double fry so that the chicken is more crispy. So putting them off to the side on a wire rack. Let them cool off for about 5 minutes or so. Be sure to remove any flour from the oil before you put in your second batch. You wouldn't want the oil to burn. So now we're preparing our second batch of chicken. We're gonna lightly fry this as well. Okay, so we're gonna let this cook for about 3 minutes. And then we're gonna put it off to the side on the wire rack and let it cool for about 5 minutes. At this point, I put both batches of chicken in the oil for a second fry for about 3 minutes, I would say. And we want it to be golden brown. So we're gonna put this off to the side so we can start preparing for our General Tso chicken sauce. Try not to eat any of the fried chicken. Okay, maybe one. Okay, I'm preparing some steamed broccoli heads in the back with 1 cup of water. We just want it to be blanched. We don't want to overcook it. It has to have a nice crunch to it. Now for our sauce. We're going to start by putting some cooking oil into the wok. Okay, we're going to add our chili flake sauce into the oil. Onion and sliced garlic. I didn't dice the garlic because I find that when you slice the garlic, you get more flavor from it. Just zooming in here so you can get a closer look. So we're gonna start stirring this around into the garlic, the chili paste,